It's almost New Year again, and you've got those epic resolutions ready, but 12 months later, you might still resemble that Christmas turkey. Let me fix that. Losing fat can transform your body, yet most people dive into insane diets, see zero results, and end up gaining double the fat. To dodge that disaster, here are 10 simple tricks you can start right now. The first trick is to actually eat more healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, egg yolks, nuts, or fatty fish such as salmon. When your fat intake drops too low, your hormones crash, making fat loss feel impossible. These healthy fats slow digestion, keeping you full. Next, use the thermic effect by eating foods that force your body to spend more energy to digest them, especially protein. Your body burns way more calories breaking down protein than carbs or fats, helping you build muscle and stay full. Third, reduce sugar. It's packed with calories but doesn't fill you up, leading to constant hunger and fat storage. Manually tracking every crumb you eat is the fastest way to make your consistency disappear. That's why Kalai is your go-to if you actually want progress. With Kalai, you just snap a picture of your meal, and the app breaks down the macros and calories effortlessly. The built-in barcode scanner lets you log snacks in seconds, and Kalai has a massive, constantly updated food database. Fourth, avoid liquid calories like soda, juices, and energy drinks. They don't fill you up, but stack hundreds of calories. Swap these for water. You'll be shocked how fast your waistline tightens with this tiny change. Fifth, cut out refined carbs. When carbs get refined, the fiber and nutrients are stripped away, leaving basically sugar disguised as food. Instead, choose carbs that keep you satisfied like rice, potatoes, oats, and whole grain pasta. They digest slower and keep you fuller longer. Sixth, stop intense cardio. Destroying the treadmill just leaves you exhausted and starving. Instead, walk a lot. Walking burns calories without triggering hunger or draining energy. Aim for 10,000 steps a day. Your body will change faster than you expect. Seventh, weight training. You cannot spot reduce fat. If you want your body to actually change shape, you need to lift. Building muscle burns more energy to maintain, even when you're doing nothing. Cardio burns calories today, but muscle burns calories forever. Eighth, eat more fiber. It's your secret hunger destroyer, slowing digestion and keeping you full. Ninth, eat vegetables with every meal. They are super low calorie, high volume, and fill up huge space in your stomach. Finally, fix your sleep. Sleep controls the hormones that decide whether you're burning fat or storing it. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of good sleep. If sleep is trash, your results will be too. Apply these simple tricks and shape the body you want.